Hey guys, this is a challenge lock sent to me by j.j.80 on uklocksport.co.uk. I've had a few of his challenge locks in the past, and they've been a heap of fun. But first off, huge apologies to JJ on this one because he sent me this quite some weeks ago, and I've done absolutely nothing with it. It's been sitting in a box of locks. I forgot all about it. And so I dragged it out today, and the least I can do for his kindness is to actually try and pick this on vid and do a gut so you guys can see some of the wonderful spools and serrated homebrew pins that he makes. Really, they're a lot of fun, and I highly recommend, if you have the opportunity to get one, to have a pick, then to take it, because they're really cool. In fact, I have a couple on as a pass around on UK Locksport forum. Some of the guys have done it, and then what's happened is that things have disappeared. I've got to check it out to see who the last person was to have these locks, because it's gone very, very, very quiet for quite a number of weeks, and it would be great just to get those out again for the guys to have a pick on. So really, what I want to try and do is pick this and gut it so you guys can see it. Huge thanks to JJ for sending this to me, because they're great. I mean, what I usually find is that some of the spools are so deep that you've actually, when they counter rotate, you've actually got to help it back around because the spools are so deep, and they're great fun. So let's have a go at this and see what happens, shall we? Let's go. I'll try and be sure of it. Okay, so hopefully found a sweet spot in tension. Not very good when you do that, is it? It's halfway across the screen. Okay, well, I think I have some idea of what's happening. Fingers crossed. We've got the back set, I think. No. Something getting hooked up. I had a joke for you as well. So you didn't have to sit here in complete silence while I'm doing this. See what I'm missing here first. Thought I had the back set, but maybe I missed something. Ah. Okay. See, you're here again. Just unsetting. So, there's this old guy lying in his hospital bed. Unset. And he's got all these machines around him, and a big oxygen mask on his face. What was it then? What am I missing here? I just touched the mic, sorry. My hand. There. Haha. Okay. So let's get this in shot so you can actually see what's going on. Let's put that there. And excuse me if your eyes go all wobbly for a minute, but I want to try and get this to like there, so you can see it. Just try and look away because I know how odd it can be to actually I don't want to edit this. I want you to see what's going on. There. That's in focus, isn't it? Yeah, indeedy. Okay, so now we're in business. So let's get this safely with the seat clip off. Plug followers, please, gentlemen. And a pair of tweezers, wherever the hell I put them. Anyway, yes. So there's a guy lying in his hospital bed, an old guy lying in his hospital bed, and he's got all the machines around him. He's got this big oxygen mask on his face. Yeah. And this nurse comes in and he says, can you see that? Good morning, sir. I'm here to give you a partial bed bath. Yeah? Holy Jesus, these are gorgeous. So he said, good morning, sir. I'm here to give you a partial bed bath this morning. Is everything okay? And the old guy says, well, nurse, can you check for me? Are my testicles black? And the nurse looks a bit sort of like, flummoxed at this, and she says, well, I'm only here to give you a partial bed bath, sir. But I can call the doctor if you want, and and he can take a look. And he said, no, please just check for me. Are my testicles black? And she's thinking, well, she's thinking, well, I guess it can't hurt, I mean, just to have a quick check, so she lifts up the blankets, and where's my second spring gone? She doesn't say where's my second spring gone, but so she says, so she lifts up the blankets, and she undoes his robe, and then and she takes his manhood in one hand and his testicles in the other, and rolls them over and gives them a good checking over, and and she puts the robe back, ties the robe up, puts the blankets back, and she says, sir, everything looks fine down there. You really don't have to worry about a thing. Everything is great. And so he reaches for his oxygen mask, you see, and he pulls it off his face, and he says, he pulls it off his face, and he's got this big, huge smile on his face, and he says, "Oh, nurse, that was just truly wonderful, but please listen very carefully. Can you check for me? Are my test results back?" I love that one. I know that. Anyway, oh man, would you look at these, yeah? You can see these, yeah? I mean, you can see these pretty close up, yeah? I got the focus right and everything. But look at these guys, man. They are, look at that. Look how deep they are. And then there's a 2-stage, some sort of wacky Christmas tree type funky thing. And here, look at that. I mean, how he's doing these is really cool. Yeah? I mean, there's one normal spool in here, but other than that, look how deep that one is. That is really cool. Truly wonderful. So yeah, he hasn't put any. There's no counter milling that I can see on the plug. Nope. And there's nothing special and funky going on in there. I mean, that is really wonderful. JJ, thank you so much for that. Really cool to see and really cool to play with. Thank you so much. And if you really want to join a great community with much better jokes, highly recommend you come and see us at uklocksport.co.uk. If you're a novice to lock picking or you have quite some experience with locks, you're both equally welcome, and you'll find a great community of guys there. So look forward to seeing you around. Take care now. Bye.